So, the Samsung's first ever tri-folding phone, the Galaxy Z TriFold, is expected to go official later this month. And here's the huge news. It was expected to be a super limited launch, maybe just China and South Korea, but we have an exclusive confirmation that Samsung is going much wider. We're talking more countries than expected, and we'll tell you exactly which ones and what makes this phone a game changer. Let's dive in. Okay, let's talk about the launch first. While a limited release in places like China and South Korea was widely expected, we've received information that the Galaxy Z TriFold, that's the tentative name by the way, is absolutely launching outside of those two countries. Specifically, it will be launching in the UAE, and it could even make its way to other major markets, including the USA. This isn't just a small expansion, this suggests Samsung is incredibly confident in the phone's capabilities and really wants to showcase it to a much broader consumer base right from the start. Now, let's get into the hardware because the specs on this thing are honestly wild. First up, the main display. This device could feature a massive 10-inch OLED screen that folds into 3 parts. Patents have recently revealed it might be powered by a unique 3-battery setup to keep all that screen time going. When you flip it over, expect a top-tier camera experience, similar to what we've seen on the S Ultra lineup. It's expected to feature a triple camera setup, which includes a huge 200-megapixel primary camera, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens. And yes, you should expect up to 100x digital zoom. Under the hood, this phone will likely be running on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. You're looking at configurations with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and at least 256 gigabytes of storage. To top off the hardware package, when it's closed, it may also include a usable 6.5-inch cover display, and it will support both wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Finally, on the software side, the TriFold is set to run Android 16-based One UI 8 right out of the box. And here's the best part. Samsung is expected to give it at least 7 major Android OS updates, securing its place as a truly long-term flagship device. So, to wrap this up, the key takeaway is that the Galaxy Z TriFold is not just a limited experiment. Samsung is bringing their first tri-folding powerhouse to more countries than anyone anticipated, including key markets like the UAE and potentially the USA. This device, with its 10-inch folding screen, 200-megapixel camera, and 7 years of software support, is setting a completely new standard. What are your thoughts on a tri-folding phone? Are you ready for this much screen real estate? Drop a comment below and tell us what you think. If you found this exclusive news helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tech breakdowns. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.